everyone, it's your boy rickodebest, and in this video I'll be doing an unboxing on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. And as you can see so far, it comes with a big sticker here up top that says you get 2 times your memory. This phone is actually 128 gig, and there is a free micro SD card inside here, which is 128 also. So let's pop this box open and see what's inside the box. Okay, so inside the box here we have our phone, which is the S10 Plus. I'll put this aside, see what else we have here. Also inside cover, you have to be extremely careful, because if you take it off, put it aside and just take all these things out, there is some important stuff in this side of the box, so please pay attention or else you will throw it in the trash. So we're just going to take this out, and inside this here we have our eject pin. So this is what you'd use to take out your memory card or your SIM card. We open this little package, we see we have a case here from Samsung, and it's a hard case. I would say it is flexible, but not that flexible. It's not an TPU, it's a hard case with a little flex. We also have our guide. We have the English version, and I guess I would say Spanish, correct me if I'm wrong, and also some information how to transfer data from your old phone to your new one and your warranty card. The model number of this S10 is actually SM-G975F, and it's a dual SIM version. Inside the box here we have our 128 micro SD card, and as you can see, this one is a class 3, so it's not in class 10. So if you need a class 10, you need to purchase one. It's free, that's why they include a class 3. Also inside the box we have our charger, which is just the adapter. And let's see if I could focus on some of these information right here. I would say this charger is the same charger that started in the Samsung Galaxy S7, if I'm not wrong. All they do is just change the color, same voltage, same fast charge. Also in the box we have our USB type C to USB adapter. So if you want to, you could use this to transfer your data, connect a flash drive to your device, or do whatever. Also inside the box here we have our type C cable. It is also black. The length of it is actually probably, I would say, 3 feet. Yeah, so it's not that long for those of you who want a long cable, and by right you're not supposed to be using your phone while it's charging. Also in the box here we have some earbuds by AKG, and these are the same earbuds which was introduced in, I'm not sure which year it is, but these are the same headphones that came with the Samsung Galaxy S8. That's when they started these line. These were the same earphone that was introduced when they first introduced the S8. So let's take a look at the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and as you can see, this phone is black. It carries the aluminum around the edges, and to your left you have your volume rocker, so your up and down, your Bixby button, and at the bottom of the phone you have your 3mm earphone jack, your USB type C cable, your mic, your speaker, and then to the right of the device you have your power button. Up top again you have your mic, and you have your SIM tray. To the front of this device you have 2 cameras on the front by your front facing camera. One of them is 10 megapixel, I'm not sure which one it is, and one is also 8 megapixel. If we take a look at the back of this device, you will notice that it carries 3 cameras. So you have a triple camera here at the back of the device. The first one is a 12 megapixel camera which carries a f-stop of 1.5 to 2.4. It's also a wide angle. The second one, which is in the middle, it's a 12 megapixel also, which carries a f-stop at 2.4, and it's a telephoto lens. The third one is a 16 megapixel camera which carries a f-stop of 2.2, and it's an ultra wide lens. So I'm not sure which direction is the first one, if it's this one or this one, but I know for sure that the one in the middle is a telephoto lens, and these two at the side is wide. One of them is wide and one is ultra wide. And so far the camera on the box capable of shooting 2160p at 60 frames per second, and also 10 1080p at 240 frames per second, and also 720p at 960 frames per second. So that, I guess, is your super slow motion. The front facing camera, in which I never mentioned, is capable of shooting 2160p at 30 frames per second and also 1080p at 30 frames per second. So let's jump into some of the specification of this device. This device was released, I would rather say this device was announced in February and released March 2019. The dimension of this device is 157.6 times 74.1 times 7.8 millimeter. The build of this device, it carries the front glass, which is a Gorilla 6, and on the back you have your Gorilla Glass 5 aluminum frame, as I stated earlier on. This device is a dual SIM, in which I've mentioned earlier on. It is also IP68 dust and waterproof up to 1.5 meter for 30 minutes. The actual size of this display is 6.4 inches with a resolution of 1440 times 3040 pixel, and you have your pixel density at 522. The Android platform on this device is actually Android 9, which is Pie, and the CPU on this device is an Exynos 9820 octa-core processor. The GPU on this device is a Mali G76 MP12. Again, the internal storage on this device is 128 gig. Also, you have them come in 512 gigabyte with 8 gigabyte of RAM, and you have your 1 terabyte option, which comes with 12 gigabyte of RAM. So that's a lot of storage there, like your personal computer. It carries NFC. There is no radio in these devices. I'm not sure why Samsung haven't put any radio in their high-end device. It also carries a fingerprint sensor, which is inside the display of this device. It also carries wireless charging compatibility, in which you could use your phone to charge another phone, and you could also place this Samsung Galaxy S10 on a wireless charger for it to be charged. The battery in this device is non-removable, and it's a 4100 milliamp battery. This device comes in Prism White, the Prism Black, which is this one. You have the Prism Green, Prism Blue, your Canary Yellow, your Flamingo Pink, Ceramic Black, Ceramic White. At the moment, the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is retail at $850 US, so you could pick one up on your favorite online store, which is Amazon or eBay. Also, if you are interested in purchasing one of these devices, I'll be putting a link down below in the description, so you could click the link down below in the description to purchase your Samsung Galaxy S10, S10 Plus, or your S10e. If you guys do enjoy this video, I want you to like it, share it, comment, and remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.